My darling heart, I know you are tired. Come and rest for a while. It's okay to let go. With me, you are safe. Nothing is required of you. If the tears finally come, let them flow. It doesn't make you weak, my dear heart. You were never meant to carry such grief in your body. I want nothing more than to be with you, to hold your hand and wipe your tears. Oh, my sweet, sweet heart, let them flow. You don't always have to be the strong one, and you will never be too much for me. I might not be able to take it away, but I can make the weight more bearable. And I may not come in the form you so desperately desire, but I am here, and I will never leave your precious heart, for I have always been with you, eternally.